Hey guys, so here's a Hunter original ceiling fan, and Happy New Year's everybody. And I haven't put this fan up in a long time, so it's been a while. And I almost thought I need to oil it for some reason, but I kept the blade brackets on, and thank goodness I didn't need to oil it because it didn't make any noise when I put it up. Thank goodness. But if I take the blades off, then that's when it starts to make noise. Well, I know. I'm actually running out of original oil, by the way. Well, I'm looking to order more, but I'm saving up to order more original oil because I just got a new remote for, and I actually did get a new remote for one of my fans. You know what fan it is? It's the Mink Air Supra. The original remote's being defective, so yeah, because it doesn't want to respond right away. So it's just the original remote. Well, the new remote will definitely work better. So anyways, let's get back to this fan. So anyways, let's start the fan off on low. Well, the blade's actually getting a little warped. If I ever get another original, I'd love to get a R&M original or a reverse air model. Maybe a 38-inch model. These originals do have really nice low speeds. I really like them a lot. Well, back when I was a kid, I've seen a lot of these at Disney World and the Hollywood Studios Little Mermaid line. They used to have a bunch of these, but then they all got replaced with Sierras and Bridgeports, and those are starting to become everywhere at Disney World. But now some of those Sierras have gotten replaced with Haikus, but or some other big AF. The big AF means big A-word fan. Well, some of those ones have gotten replaced with Hunter Rigid. Well, some of those Hunter Sierras might have gotten replaced with big ass fan Haikus or some other big ass fan. So yeah. Anyways, that's what I meant to say. Words don't want to come out of me. So yeah. Anyways, but sometimes might have seen some of these at restaurants, and they have really nice low speeds, and I might have seen some on low when I was a kid, and man, they have really good low speeds. These fans have really good. Not Haikus. These Hunter originals have really good low speeds. So yeah, let's kick it up to medium. This fan was from my friend's house. My friend's house, and it was in their living room, and it got replaced with a Haiku, and then well, one time it was on a variable speed, and it buzzed it buzzed a lot. I could hear it if it was like really loud, then I can't hear it. I can only hear it a little bit if it's like a big party, but sometimes when there's small parties, I could hear it. Hunter originals sometimes do buzz on solid states. Oh, bearings may start making noise, but it didn't make noise when I first put it up. I'm sorry that this fan's making a little noise. Well, if it gets really noisy, then I'll have to oil it. Or the bearings get really stiff, then I'll have to oil it. Well, so yeah. And well, these fans are pretty heavy fans, and and the other fan I'm looking for is my friend's house. They had this original, but they replaced it with a Haiku, and they still have the Hunter low profile and the 5-blade Hunter original. over the stairs. The 5-blade original over the stairs is kind of a ceiling fan's unexpected install. And I should post it on the unexpected group page. I expected to install a group page. And also, I actually might have saw one of these in Chestnut Brown in, I forget the movie title. Oh, Parent Trap. I saw one of these in Chestnut Brown. I might have saw one of these in Chestnut Brown. If I get another 4-blade original, I'm definitely getting one in Chestnut Brown. Because Chestnut Brown is so cool. But yeah, here's High. I don't have my watch on right now, so... Moves a lot of air. Moves... This is one of the heavy air movers in my collection. The KT5 fans do move a lot of air like my Saturn. Even though I'm not a high-speed kind of guy, I like these better when they run on low. Because low speed looks really nice, and they also have good circulation speed too. Well, my other fans other fans like KT5 or Spinner fans, those I like running on medium better. Originals I like them on low. Well, 2-speed ones I have to do low, like R&M model. Christmas light box just fell. And it is moving a lot of air, like I said, so put my camera back down. And let's turn it off. Oh, I like medium speed on these too. Well, but I like the look of it on low. Just like Remake Air Supra has a really nice low speed. Sound reverse, good. Yeah. Here's low reverse. What time is it? Get the oven. It's 11:41 right now. Oh, they actually do have a new finish for the original too. I forget the finish, but it looks like if it's installed in a modern barn. And a brand new tag for it too. I like the older tags better though. So anyways, medium. And let's and high. There's wind noise coming from it on reverse, well. And off. That is it for this fan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe, and Happy New Year.